Hello, everyone. A very good evening to you all. Welcome to our platform of Wiki UPHR. Today, we're going to talk about a very interesting topic close to every woman's heart finance. I'm your host, Meetu. I am an HR professional and one of the council members for Wiki UPHR. Wiki UPHR is a non profit body that partners with businesswomen, entrepreneurs, and leaders for representation of women entrepreneurs and professionals to the government agencies and corporates for creating awareness on issues concerning women at their workplace, resulting in an empowered and inspired community in the spirit of growth, parity, and women's well being. Today's session, Finance Management for Women Empowerment, is a step forward towards breaking through yet another stereotype and making financial investments gender free. So, without further ado, I welcome today our speaker for the day, Ms. Priyanka Bhatia. Priyanka, the co founder of Women on Wealth, is a postgraduate in business journalism. She decided to leave her job at the Press Trust of India to impact the financial journey of many women like her herself through the platform of Women on Wealth in 2011. Priyanka is constantly upskilling in the wealth creation techniques such as stock market analysis, behavioral science, and building up better business models. Her work has been featured in several leading publications like BBC News, entrepreneurial magazines, Huffington Post, She Rose, and many more. Welcome, Priyanka, on this platform of Wiki with us. We are so
Thanks,
elated to have you
Meetu.
here.
Thanks, Meetu. Thanks for having me and really being with us. It's an absolute privilege that you're with us in this mission of making finance a gender-free topic. It absolutely connected with me the moment you said it. Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Priyanka, thank you so much. Basically, Priyanka, I quoted it as gender free because till date, myself being a professional, I have seen and noticed women around me who are till now relating with finance with a scare or because they have to do it. Else, we rely on our better half, the male gender around us. So, what
Absolutely.
made you come out of this shell and be the woman of today?
Sure. When you're saying that finance is for men, it's just for men. Absolutely. I mean, I can't agree more with what you're saying because actually, if you look at majority of women, they are dependent financially in a certain way on their husband, father, broker. So yeah, we may be earning money and yet we dependent because we don't want to manage finances. We're scared, like you said.
So
Um,
true.
we don't want to do it. We already have so many roles to play, so we just want our men to do it. But the more the world is changing and more women are taking on jobs and there are goals that women have their own dreams. I mean, how can empowerment truly happen if women don't know how to use this powerful tool called money? So
Correct, right.
I think I just can't connect with the thought that we're talking about women empowerment without enabling women with finances. So I think that's where it came from. So I want to say this to all the viewers who are watching us. We think finance is just for men, but actually finance is a system and it's a step by step system and anybody can learn it. It's it's not like only a certain specific gender can do it. Anybody can do it. It's for men and women equally, and we need to just bring that balance. So coming back to how we started on this, so I am not somebody who studied finance, and I have studied journalism. That's what my post graduation is in. I have not worked in any investment bank. My maths is not great. So, anything, I am not like as if I'm really happy with numbers, nothing like that. It's just that I had the desire to create wealth. That's about it. Nothing else drove me. I just wanted to create wealth. I had a great salary. I used to work as a reporter with news agencies like the Press Trust of India, United News of India. And I wanted to create wealth, and I didn't know how to do that. I had a great salary, which was being spent on branded shoes, clothes, bags, spas, because that's what I knew best. I
I
always,
relate.
yeah, I always wanted to create wealth, and nothing practically like financial education is just missing in our school and college system. So I just thought, okay, what do I do? Actually, I did nothing. I was just shopping, marrying, and having a happy time straight out of college in my first job. And I got a big shock when one of my male colleagues ended up buying a property. He was
Oh,
at the same position as mine and same salary as mine. And he ended up buying a property while I had not even managed to save that much money. So actually, that's where my quest to wealth began. And I thought the first person I could take guidance from is my dad. And like all our dads, he said, fixed
yeah.
deposits कर लो, PPF कर लो. यही बोलते हैं हमारे को, है ना? Traditional investments कर लो. कर लिया मैंने
Because
भी वो. Yeah,
yeah,
go ahead.
that is what I was saying. The female side especially goes for these kind of traditional investments where it's या तो FD कर लो, RD account खुलवा लो, or else you can go for post office. But if
Yeah.
somebody is talking about कि मुझे डीमैट account खुलवाना है, अरे कैसे करोगी? That kind of reservation starts coming back. Yeah.
राइट राइट और मैंने भी यही किया मतलब आई ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड विथ ट्रेडिशनल इन्वेस्टमेंट्स एंड मीतू
Mm-hmm.
दैट्स व्हेन आई रियलाइज्ड कि अरे मेरे तो इतने बड़े गोल्स हैं आई लिव इन दिल्ली एनसीआर तो मैंने सोचा आई वांट टू बाय माय ओन प्रॉपर्टी इन दिल्ली एनसीआर आई वांट टू अर्न फ्रॉम माय इन्वेस्टमेंट्स आई वांट टू बिल्ड अ कॉर्पस फॉर माय बिजनेस और मुझे पता था कि जो मैं मतलब अपने मनी को जिस तरीके से मैं हैंडल कर रही हूँ और जैसे मैं उसको इन्वेस्ट कर रही हूँ मैं कभी इन
Mm-hmm.
गोल्स तक नहीं पहुंचूंगी like it's just going to be a dream.
Because
And
we
then I
don't get
thought,
that kind of a
yeah,
return. That kind of a return is
yeah,
not given in those investments.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. And then we don't even have the understanding and the knowledge on how to generate those returns. So
Yeah.
it's like our the money we generate from investments is directly proportional to how much our skill is, financial skill, investing skill. And I had none of that. And my father said that, and then I said नहीं इससे तो बात नहीं बनेगी कुछ different action लेना पड़ेगा to get a different result. And then I thought, let me check with this male colleague of mine who had bought a property. And when I checked on him, he said he invests in the stock market. तो मैं भी सीधे से मैंने डीमैट अकाउंट खुलवा लिया एक ब्रोकर ढूंढ लिया started buying and selling whatever my broker told me to do. And only to realize in 2008 that I lost 90% of what I had invested. And at
Okay,
that
okay, that
time,
was the time when markets
yeah,
had crashed. Okay.
yes, that was my first crash, and I lost 90% of my money. And at that time, I was so sad and disgusted with what had happened कि मुझे लगा कि मेरे से तो कभी wealth create होगा ही नहीं. मतलब छोड़ो, ये तो होने ही नहीं वाला है.
Because
So
you must have put in most of your investment, rather, most of your savings into that investment, जो आपने सोचा
हाँ,
होगा would give you better results, and all of a sudden everything crashed.
yeah, I
So,
mean, we
yeah.
invest like that. Now we depend on other people to tell us what is good for us. और मुझे भी यही पता
Because
था
they
कि
are
यही करना है.
professionals. They are professionals. They have
Yes,
been trained for this. Yeah.
yes. And when I lost that money, I was so disgusted ना मतलब मुझे लगा कि यार मतलब अब तो हो ही नहीं सकता. And that feeling remained until I found my mentors. So four people began to guide me. A stock investor who is a woman. So my stock investor mentor, a woman.
Okay.
Three other people were a property investor, a serial entrepreneur, a business coach. And all these people, when they began to guide me, I learned that finance was a system. Like there was a step by step method on how to become debt free, how to come out of living paycheck to paycheck, how to save more than you ever saved, how to invest your money. मतलब हर चीज I could decode. Like when I worked with these mentors, एक तो सबसे पहला चीज हुआ that I got financial clarity. Like
Mm-hmm.
I got absolute clarity on what are my financial goals. How much money do I need to reach them? Where I need to invest, how much I need to invest to reach these goals. How do I select those investments? मुझे कभी पता ही नहीं था, मीतू, that there was a step by step methodology to pick good quality stocks. I thought it was gambling. I thought, somebody else had to tell me which stocks to buy. And that was a big myth which got busted for me, and we busted for women now, that there is a step by step methodology to pick good stocks, to pick good mutual funds, good investments. It is not to be done by other people for you. You can do it yourself, and it just requires you learning how to research these investments and how to reach your goals. So I
Yeah.
learned that, and I went back to I learned a methodology to pick good quality stocks, good mutual funds, other investments. I did my own financial planning. Like, I could write my own financial plan, which was a big success. Then I went ahead, I kind of invested on my own in mutual funds, gold bonds, so many other investments. बिल्कुल मैंने खुद डाइवर्सिफाई किया अपने पोर्टफोलियो को अपनी अंडरस्टैंडिंग से. एंड अ पॉइंट केम वेयर आई स्टार्टेड बाय मेकिंग 70,000 rupees in 120 minutes, and that money I kept making more and more money from there on.
So I
And
would like to ask you one question over here, Priyanka. Sorry to interrupt. I would like
sure.
to know that you started your journey in the in what time? What instigated was because you and your colleague were at the same platform, but still he was much ahead financially as compared to you on terms of savings. But what, according to you, would be the time to invest for any person? What, as early or as how much as late a person should invest? Because the scenario currently is like that, the kind of culture that we are in, people want to retire early, but we are living a longer lives compared to our previous generations, so the cost of
Yeah.
living keeps on increasing, but the
Yeah.
amount of money just vanishes in a flick of seconds. So how early should one start investing, and how should they go about it?
Sure. So let me actually answer this question. How early should one start? So we women are going to live longer than our men.
Yeah.
Stats are available all around.
Statistically.
Yes, that women are going to live
Correct.
longer. Yeah.
Correct.
So, which means we definitely need to manage our money, learn to manage our money now, or after our husband passes on, or if we are okay, depending on our sons and daughters, then it's a different matter. Then we don't probably need to do anything. But if we want to at some point manage, whether later or now, we got to learn at some point. That's number one. Yeah. The sooner you start, the better. I started investing at the age of 21. I'm 35 right now. Already I am making I'm making money from my investments, which are more than what my expenses are. And that's how I
Okay.
managed to quit my job, because I knew that I was making more money from my investments, and I didn't need to depend on a job to pay for my expenses. And I was free to take up meaningful projects in my life. And that's how Women on Wealth started in 2011. So you want to be financially free, you need to start sooner than later. Number one. Number two, remember, women are going to live longer. Number three, nobody is going to give us loan for our retirement. You may
Yeah,
get a
again I'll
loan.
ask.
Yeah, you'll get
Yeah.
a loan to buy your own property. You wanna take a exotic vacation, you'll get a loan. You wanna get your kids higher education funded, you'll get a loan. But to retire, nobody is going to give you a loan. So we all need to collect that corpus. And most of us don't have government jobs. And most government
Correct.
jobs are also not paying you pension. I mean, many central
Yeah.
government employees are being asked to collect their own pension through the national pension system and other such schemes. So the earlier, the better. and whatever age you may be, you needn't be disappointed. I think it's important that all of us get that we need to get out of our own interpretations of our age and just kind of take charge. The key is to know that age is just a number, and taking charge of your finances can happen at any point of your life, like any point. It's just you need to be ready to be doing that.
Hmm.
Yeah,
So, how
that's how
much? First, I understood that you want us women to have that mental strength of rather having the courage of investing into this kind of a market where things are risk bound. They are not very contemporary in their ways. Correct?
let me
Am I
let me
right?
put let me put something on the risk part. Yeah, we women keep our savings in the savings account, fixed deposits, post office investments, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
If inflation rate, okay, it's being reported in the Economic Times and I'm picking it.
Hmm.
Our government mentioned, RBI, Reserve Bank of India, said that inflation rate in our country for the last month was 7.6%. Okay,
Okay. Hmm.
7.6. So inflation, if you don't understand, inflation is महंगाई. It reduces the
Correct.
purchasing power of your money. Each one of us can feel it. यार महंगाई हो रही है, बढ़ रहे हैं पैसे, है ना, सब्जियां
Correct.
महंगी हो रही
Yeah.
है, फ्रूट महंगा हो गया है, इवन इन कोविड ये हुआ है. So if inflation rate, okay, is
Hmm.
7.6% and your savings bank account is giving you 2 to 3%, your fixed
Yes.
deposit is giving you 4 to 5%, your
Hmm.
post office investments are giving you 6% return. Now tell me, are they really risk free? I mean, what are we talking about here, women, is what I want to say. I want to really wake our women up, because we are saying that okay, my money is safe. It's not safe. You're not protecting yourself from inflation, which is eating up on your purchasing power of your money. You think that the
And God
10%.
forbid, yeah, and God
Yeah.
forbid, there are a few banks who've just declared themselves bankrupt, and the government has shown every customer just one line that whosoever, how much have you spent, fake given to the bank, but we can only have the capacity to return 1 lakh rupees to you. And there is another problem where you are not allowed to take out more than 20,000 bucks a month. That's no
Yes.
way actually going to compensate our daily expenses for a month, even if I say so.
Yes, yes. Well, that 1 lakh has become 5 lakh now. That's the bank guarantee now.
Okay.
So, but what I want to say is, I mean, we need to really redefine for ourselves what is risk, because this is more risky, according to me, when we are
Mm-hmm.
keeping our money as is. 2% versus 7.6 inflation rate, 2% in savings account. So 5.6% money is being lost. So, are we planning to work till the rest of our lives? Like, let me give you another example. 1 crore of today, 25 years later, say I'm 35 right now, 25 years later, I'm going to retire. 1 crore of today is equal to 23 lakh rupees 25 years later. Okay?
Yeah. Because the value of money is going down, right?
Is going down. So, unless I grow this money and it beats inflation, I am not going to retire. So I may think that this 1 crore will be 1 crore. Yes. I mean, देखने को तो वो 1 crore is 1 crore only. लेकिन what that 1 crore can buy is only worth 23 lakhs. तो ये
Okay.
कहाँ से सेफ है?
Okay, it
Where are
becomes
we?
one fourth. After 25 years, this is going to be just one fourth of the amount that we think that we
Yeah.
have kept aside for retirement.
Yeah. So
So,
how are we assuming that this is risk free? So what, I'll redefine risk for our viewers. Risk can be taken care of. You think stock market is risky, mutual funds are risky? I don't think so. Honestly, if you learn how to research these investments, okay, and if you learn how to navigate through them, and it's not a full time job that I'm asking you to do, you continue to do what you're doing.
I was
Just,
about to ask you because the
yeah,
market opens at 9:30, closes at 3:30. So a working woman once in a while can check up on a desktop, but a working house mother, a
yeah,
homemaker, she has
yeah,
n number of responsibilities to take care of at a time. So
yeah,
how would she have the time? Rather, she would make time even. But the trading part जो होता है,
yeah.
that requires a lot of time during the circle of her work cycle. How do
So we
you?
are women on wealth, me too. And we are not talking about trading here. We're talking
Okay.
about long-term investing for wealth creation. You want to build your retirement fund. You want to build your kids' higher education fund. You want to build that fund for those exotic vacations with your husband and family. You want to take your parents on a dream trip. Now, those goals can be taken care of with investing. And when I'm saying investing, I'm talking about long term investing in fundamentally great companies, which are so, when I'm talking about stocks, mutual funds, any other investments like gold bonds, etc., it requires that we research once, and then the time investment is just minimal. It's like 15 minutes a day where we need
Okay.
to, like, keep ourselves updated with what's happening in the financial world, what's happening in the in the economy. Are we Where are we headed? It is not that I am sitting in front of the stock screen every time. I don't even open my portfolio. Yeah, portfolio are my investments. I don't even open them because I know that I have invested in the right instruments and they're just growing and already are investors. So we have a community of women investors. Many of them in the last 6 years have generated a return of over 100%. So,
That's nice.
such returns are not possible. And I'm not saying you take blind risk. No. I'm saying learn to research, build your financial skills, and then you can take, a decision on what you want to be doing. I mean, don't just assume because हमारी conditioning में हमारे environment में है कि अरे ये तो बहुत risky है. अरे उससे ज्यादा risky तो ये savings account और post office investments है, which are
Now
eating
people
our.
might understand. Yes. Now people might understand what's the risk in this side of the investment. So Priyanka, how much should we start from? What is the minimal amount that is needed to get into this track?
Sure. So, एक तो ना बिना बिना इन्वेस्टिंग सीखे इन्वेस्टिंग करनी नहीं है. दैट्स नंबर वन.
Okay.
ओके, सो सीधा इस पे नहीं जाना है कि ओके आई नीड टू इन्वेस्ट माई मनी. नो. फर्स्ट, जैसे हम अपने बच्चों को सिखाते हैं ना, फर्स्ट गो गेट
Mm-hmm.
एजुकेटेड एंड देन फाइंड अ जॉब और डू अ बिजनेस. ऐसे
Yeah.
हम मदर्स को, ओके, हमें खुद को ये बताना पड़ेगा दैट ओ फर्स्ट गो गेट फाइनेंशियली एजुकेटेड and then invest your
Okay.
money. Because whenever we invest, even those small amounts, because when we will lose those small amounts ना, हमें तब भी बहुत बुरा लगने वाला है.
Hmm.
So it's
That
not that
also
I will,
hurts. Yeah.
yeah, I will lose 5,000, I'll not feel bad. I will feel bad. It's my hard earned money. So the step is not that you invest directly. The first step is you educate yourself. Financial education is the first step. जैसे आप स्कूल जाते हो, एजुकेशन लेते हो, फिर जॉब और बिजनेस करते हो, ऐसे ही पहले फाइनेंशियल एजुकेशन लेनी है, फिर इन्वेस्टिंग शुरू करनी है या मनी मैनेजमेंट करना है, कोई भी गोल है. ठीक है.
Okay.
एंड यू कैन बिगिन इवन विथ 500 रुपीज इन योर पॉकेट. ऐसा नहीं है दैट यू नीड अ होल लॉट ऑफ मनी. You can even begin with 500 rupees. That's the minimum you need. The important part is that we women need to now just get started on it, because at some point of our lives now we need to be doing this. Better now than later. That's my message. Yeah.
Okay. So I've made up my mind to invest in the market with whatever amount I'm comfortable with. Then my another expectation comes that how much return and in what time span am I going to get that? So how do we make ourselves patient enough for that span of time? Because you said that minimum 5 to 6 years is required or something of that sort. So what happens
Yeah.
there?
So equity investments are not for short-term goals. Only when you have 7 years, when your goals are 7 years away, can you be putting your money in equity investments. Like equity mutual funds are not for the short term.
Can you
Stocks, not
define a little, please? What's equity mutual fund or
sure.
whatever
So
the
equity
jargon?
mutual
Sorry.
funds. So we may have heard of mutual funds. Mutual फंड सही है, ऐसे बहुत एड्स आती हैं आजकल, पर
True.
आपको अपने लिए सिर्फ वो सुन के म्यूचुअल फंड्स में एक ब्रोकर ने बोला या हस्बैंड ने बोला यहाँ लगा लेते हैं तो वहां लगा लिया, ऐसे नहीं इक्विटी म्यूचुअल फंड्स में इन्वेस्टिंग होती. म्यूचुअल फंड्स
Mm-hmm.
में इन्वेस्टिंग के लिए एक स्टेप बाय स्टेप मेथडोलॉजी है कि पहले खुद इक्विटी म्यूचुअल फंड ढूंढना सीखो. अ फंड दैट इज इन्वेस्टिंग इन स्टॉक्स is called equity
Okay.
mutual fund.
Okay.
And
Okay.
stocks are like direct investments into stocks. And I'm talking about
Mm-hmm.
investing. I'm not talking about trading. Gambling की मैं बात नहीं कर रही हूँ. मैं यहाँ पे बात कर रही हूँ इंटेलिजेंट इन्वेस्टर बनने की, एक नॉलेजेबल इन्वेस्टर बनने की, सो दैट आप कॉन्फिडेंटली बात कर पाओ फाइनेंसेस के बारे में अपने हस्बैंड से, अपने इन लॉज से, पेरेंट्स से, आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड से. Yeah.
Because
So for
आजकल basis there is some serial also covering Harshad Mehta's life, right?
yes,
So
yes,
we
absolutely.
cannot be relying on an ex party. We have to be thorough enough in our research that what we are getting into and what this all is all about, right? Not from the word of mouth.
Not at all. Like let me share something. And that's for my viewers. All this question is for my viewers. Everybody that guys tell me, can you diet for me and I lose weight? क्या ये हो सकता है? Just say yes or no. Can you diet for me and I lose weight? Can you exercise for me and I become physically fit? Just say yes or
Correct.
no.
Yes, obviously, that's a given. It's very
Yeah.
relatable.
Yeah, like it can't be right that you diet and Priyanka loses weight, and you exercise and Priyanka becomes physically fit. Can't happen. Priyanka has to do it herself if she wants to be physically fit, and she needs, she needs to be working on her health. The same way is with finances. Nobody else can take care of your money the way you will. Who else
Okay.
if not you? I mean, I have had so many women coming to us at Women on Wealth, and they had invested in more than 10, 15, 20 mutual funds, which was crazy. And I have so many cases of such women, while we just need to be investing in 4 at max to have a diversified mutual funds portfolio.
वही है ना,
So
किसी ने
just,
कह दिया, किसी का सुन लिया,
uh,
and then we think अच्छा उसको प्रॉफिट हुआ है, then let's take it up and let's see what happens with us.
yeah,
That's
yeah.
the thing.
And trust you me, हमारा पैसा नहीं बनता ऐसे. Because if
Okay.
tips could make everybody wealthy, if advice could make everybody wealthy, तो अभी तक तो everybody would have a very different quality of life and everybody would be rich. The Forbes list will be full of women who followed tips and they made it. पर नहीं है ऐसा. So, we actually, women need to be doing what we are telling our kids. We are telling them, get educated, then go for things. Yeah, build yourself up, build your skills, build your personality. This is what we tell our kids, right? So,
Right,
we
right.
need to be doing that ourselves. And there is a system which is available. I would personally promote the Women on Wealth system. I am a promoter of financial education for women, and I have not seen a community of financially empowered women like I've seen at Women on Wealth. So
I was
I,
about to ask you that
yeah,
how I
go
have
ahead.
gone through your whole videos and all. You have a community, and there people are actually, ladies are talking in those jargons that right now I am not very comfortable with, and they're very confident on that portfolios and investments returns. So how do you bring around the financial concepts to any and every women in your community? How
Yeah.
did
So
you link with them?
we've built these courses, financial education courses for women, that they can take. They are as low as 3,000 rupees, and they, 7,000 rupees, 20,000 rupees. And trust you me, we women spend more on clothes than our children, okay, than this amount. So
Okay.
I would invite everybody to jump in, check out our Facebook page has been already shared here. There is a form which has been shared. So click on those forms. There's a link of the form. So click on that form and click on the Facebook page, check it out, use the resources which are available. We also have a lot of free videos for all our women to watch. So you can use the free videos that we are running on our Facebook page. We do a lot of Facebook lives to educate women. We have financial education courses on personal finance. So whether you are living paycheck to paycheck, you're in debt, you can't save, you don't know how to increase your savings, you don't know how to invest, you don't know how to build a business of your own, all these investments, you don't know how to buy a property for your own self, we support you in getting started. We educate you on how you can do that. And that's the, that's what we believe in, power of financial education. So I would invite everybody to fill the form, reach out to us, and our team will take care of you. It will get you started on where you need to start. Yeah.
So, anybody who likes to come onto your platform, would they have?
Sure.
They would fill the form, and then you can get in touch with them directly, right? Right.
Yes.
That's
Yes,
okay.
absolutely.
Because our
So,
viewers, yes, our viewers are interested to know how to approach you and how to get connected to you. So we are
yes.
sharing the forms and we are sharing the website also, Facebook page, so people can definitely go and check out for themselves what is Women on Wealth doing.
Yes, yes. Come on, women. I mean, give yourself a chance is what I would say. Really.
Yes,
And
that's
and come
needed.
out and come out of the myths that, oh, this is only for people who understand maths, or this is only for people who understand numbers. I can't do it. Let somebody else do it for me. We want to create a different world where women are independent, like really truly, and they're empowered. Then we got
Mm-hmm.
to be the generation who brings about that change. I think i
Very
i
true.
really think that we owe it to the next generation. I mean, we're not like we're earning money, or we're receiving far more than what our mothers and grandmothers received, and it's now time we paid forward by upskilling our own selves. Yeah.
So when somebody is coming to your platform and they say that I am educated but I am financially uneducated, so that person obviously has a low confidence on finance management. Though being a housewife or an earning member in the family, we know how to handle money. What is that makes them, him or her, realize that where are we going wrong and how to correct ourselves? How do
So
we do that?
depends on the woman herself, the woman of the house. She's the driving force. If she realizes that this is the financial situation at home and I need to be doing something about it, then she'll do something about it. If not, if she, so she needs to and actually wake up to this, that it's in our conditioning that we are taught finance is not women for women. इट्स इन आवर कंडीशनिंग. हमने बचपन में कहीं सुना होगा, किसी ने बोला होगा, या घर में ऐसा चल रहा होगा, और बस हमने वो बिलीव कर लिया है कि ये ऐसा है. एंड इट इज टाइम दैट वी ब्रेक आउट ऑफ दैट कंडीशनिंग and really say that no, finance is for women too, and they can do it. Doesn't require special skills. It just requires a little common sense, and which I have, which most women have, because otherwise they can't manage a house and children and so much they are doing. Many of them are doing jobs and businesses, crazy amount of work each one is putting in.
Yeah,
So
that's what
yeah.
I was about to say. Okay, still, if I am not wrong, your stat says that only 25% of the women are the ones who are actively participating in the investments. Those are not the conventional ways. And
Yes.
most of us even don't know what the terms are telling us to do, equity and then liquidation. For such a person to come out of the shell, is there some kind of classes that you are giving? Is there some kind of initial 1 or 2 hour session that makes one comfortable to come to you?
Yes, so we actually have programs, and they're digital programs online, and you come and you get started from the very basic. So
Okay.
our program is from very basic to, to anybody who can be even from a finance background. She can be like, we have women who are even from MA Finance in Manchester University. They are CAs. And yet
Mm-hmm.
प्रैक्टिकली फाइनेंस को कैसे मैनेज करना है, इन्वेस्ट करना है, वो उनको नहीं आता होता. तो प्रैक्टिकल एप्लीकेशन जो है ना, वो हमारे एजुकेशन सिस्टम से कंप्लीटली मिसिंग है. So that's the link that we are bringing in. So whether you know the terms, financial terms, or you don't, the program absolutely fits you, and it's a proven system. Yeah. Why I say so? Because
Okay.
we've been running Women on Wealth for 9 years now. We have impacted more than 4,000 women. So we are a community of over 4,000 women. They are financially educated. They've become debt free. They've come out of living paycheck to paycheck. They save at least 25% more than they ever saved. Many have managed to pick their own investments. They have generated returns of 40% to 100%. Many have managed to buy their own properties. And some are today also recognized as the finance ministers of their house. So that's
Yeah.
the key. Can we just pick our financial goals? Can we just say enough? Pick our financial goals and say, now I'm going to move towards them no matter what. No matter what challenges, no matter my low confidence, anything. I'm going to break this barrier. And I think that's what, and if you don't want to do it for yourself, I suggest you do it for your kids. Because
Yes.
only a financially conscious mother can raise a financially conscious kid. Otherwise, trust you me, no financial education is available, even in our schools right now or colleges.
No, that is very true
That's very
because
true because
people are
people are.
more focused on कि बच्चे के percentage कितने आए हैं, and the general development of a child only starts in the college, where they are open, rather in an open environment, and where they try to pick a few things from around. Otherwise,
Yeah.
schooling may, we are just focusing on one thing, that the person, our child should be educated in the terms of degree or the classes percentile. So,
Yeah.
women
I'll just
coming to
add
you.
to that, Neetu. I'll just add to that. जो घर का environment है ना, वो बहुत
Hmm.
impact करता है. You might not be focusing on that. You might be just focusing on the marks. पर फिर भी घर का एनवायरनमेंट, पेरेंट्स का बिहेवियर, वो पैसे को कैसे मैनेज कर रहे हैं, क्या कर रहे हैं, अनकॉन्शियसली द चाइल्ड विल पिक इट अप, एंड अनकॉन्शियसली you're giving it to the child. So
Okay,
it's
so we
it's
need to be
really,
very cautious.
yeah, it's like you're unconsciously just giving it to the child. Now you don't even know you're giving it. You don't even know your child is taking it. And yet that's happening. So yeah, you can focus on the marks, and yet the child will pick up your money habits. So yeah,
That's
it's
the
it's
way it is.
critical. It's critical that we work for our next generation.
Let's see what happens, because today's session, I am truly in belief that yes, many women are going to wake up and they would have the conscious decision, and they would have the strength that okay, fine, I am capable enough, I can do it. That's the
Yeah.
way to be.
And
So let's
even if
start
you
on
don't
this.
trust, Mitu, even if you don't trust you can do it, can you just give yourself an opportunity? Can you just attempt and trust you me? We're going to support you. It's like that. आप एक हाथ तो आगे बढ़ाओ, आप एक कदम तो आगे बढ़ो. And the entire community is already standing at Women on Wealth to support
So
you.
this community of yours, any and every person, even a new joinee, they become the part instantly and they get into the discussions. What is it about? The
So the
community.
open community, the Facebook community, you can join anytime, and you
Mm-hmm.
don't need to be a part of the paid courses. to, like you can be on Facebook, and we do a live every day on Facebook we go live, and there are already so many videos that you can begin listening to.
Mm-hmm.
If you are a part, if you actually choose to go beyond and take a step, because practically करना है तो paid courses में आना पड़ेगा. Paid courses में आओगे, then you have an inner circle. We call it an inner circle. This is a community of women who've done our courses, and they are
Mm-hmm.
together in an inner circle, and they meet once a month, and the groups are buzzing with so much practical information. So it's another level. So that's how. So we have a free community and a paid community. It's like that.
Okay, so this free community obviously is coming to your platform by their choice. Then they become paid communities. But once they are paid communities, then what kind of investment options you are guiding them through? Is it just stocks, or is it just towards the property side, or it's collaboratively everything in a minimal amount?
It's everything. It's everything. Okay. It's like from banking to gold investments, gold bonds, to post office investments, to small saving schemes, to mutual funds, to stocks, property investments. It's a combination of everything. And not only are we
Okay.
talking about investments, we're also talking about your relationship with money, how you can raise financially conscious kids. We're also talking about how do you manage your money so that your savings maximize. How do you come out of living paycheck to paycheck? How do you pay off your debt? So there is, finance is a wide subject, but we've compressed it into a few courses that we run so that you can just kind of learn it without kind of making so many mistakes. So that's how.
Okay.
Whenever people tell me, "Oh, I've lost money," I always ask, "Did you research that investment before getting into it?" And 99.9% times I hear a no.
Yeah, because
So
मैं खुद बोल रही हूँ, it's the word of mouth. Large cap, mid cap. After just getting into this side, again, there is nothing much that I have researched on my own. Just know that big brands means large cap, then mid cap is there. There probably a little known names would be around, and then a small cap. But
yeah,
investing for them again becomes a courageous thing because large cap बहुत ज़्यादा रेट्स हो जाते हैं, देन मिड कैप रिस्क बढ़ता है, स्मॉल कैप पता ही नहीं है कि होने क्या वाला है. So when you are talking on these terms, the person has to be comfortable enough and they have to be confident enough. I would start getting questions on now, I hope, but since the time it comes,
hmm.
I would like to know, you were talking about making women debt free, that they are in debt. What kind of debts have women in your community come along, and what is किस तरह का? बिकॉज एक फैमिली में अगर शी इज़ अ होम मेकर, तो उसको ये मालूम है कि मैंने घर बनाया, घर के लिए लोन लिया, she might treat it as a debt. Else, what other debts are you talking about? Sometimes
So
women are not even aware of what they are into. Yeah.
yes, yes. And we've had such women. They didn't know what they are into. Absolutely. So I connect with what you are saying. Women will have personal loans, credit card loans, car loans, property loans, friendly loans. There's so many different kinds of loans that women will take. And women in our community, like one of the community members, she came to us in 2013. She had a
Mm-hmm.
debt of personal loan of 10 lakh rupees, married, home baker, baking from
Oh.
home and
Mm-hmm.
selling cakes. And her husband, a professional baker, used to work in a hotel. Amazing jobs, and both of them amazing work. And yet, both of them living paycheck to paycheck, debt of 10 lakh rupees, personal loan, that means no
Mm-hmm.
savings, no investments, like nothing. They came in with that financial
So when
insecurity.
so when
And
she came
when
into
they did the
you.
courses, when they did like she did the course, first thing, 20 months, she paid off the entire debt. She became debt free. So she paid off her entire loan of 10 lakh rupees within 20 months of doing the program. Next thing,
Remarkable.
she started building her financial security. She built her emergency fund, the right health insurance, how to pick that, term life insurance, how do you pick that? She started building, a little financial foundation for herself. She knew she wanted to bring a child in their family and you wanted to expand the family, and she started building a corpus for the child. Now she has a child who is 1 year old. She's already bought a land in her hometown. The
Okay.
child's education fund is already built. They are already building their retirement fund. And her husband is now like, you know so much about finances and you are the finance minister of our house. And she's managing since 2013, and now she's managing everything in the family around finances.
So
Another
a
community
person,
member, another
sorry,
community
go
member,
ahead.
property loan of 20 years paid off in 4 years' time. So that's the power of financial education. Over to you, Mitu.
So when these kind of people are coming to your platform and they actually are looking desperately for help, what is the best investment, the very first investment that you would guide them to get into, and with what minimum amount? Because if I am there and I am telling you that I am already in debt, please help me. What is the best method, which would be the best very first investment and starting amount for that? Or
Sure.
obviously everybody has their own journey and their own resources, but in a generic term, how much is it going to be?
So first step is you need to have clarity on your financial goals. That's like the first thing before you get started. कि करना
Okay.
क्या चाहते हो, कब तक करना चाहते हो, राइट?
Mm-hmm.
क्योंकि ऐसा नहीं हुए कि मेरे को जाना तो गोवा है लेकिन गाड़ी मैंने पकड़ ली जो मेरे को केरला लेके जा रही है, तो मैं गोवा कभी नहीं पहुंचूंगी, राइट?
Right.
उस टाइम फ्रेम में तो नहीं पहुंचूंगी जिसमें पहुंचना था मुझे, राइट? तो मैं लेट हो जाऊंगी, और लेट हो गई तो मतलब वो गाड़ी छूट गई गोल वाली,
छूट
क्योंकि बच्चों
गई
को एक
करेक्ट.
सर्टन टाइम में मतलब चाहिए ना, पैसे उनको चाहिए। रिटायरमेंट एक सर्टन एज में हो ही जाएगी, मतलब पैसे चाहिए उस टाइम पे। सो
Hmm.
व्हाट इज इंपॉर्टेंट है, सबसे पहले क्लैरिटी ऑन योर फाइनेंशियल गोल्स होने का है। सेकेंड स्टेप
Okay.
है, कहीं इन्वेस्ट करने से पहले खुद में इन्वेस्ट करो, क्योंकि आप अपने सबसे बड़े फाइनेंशियल एसेट हो। आपने एक बार इंग्लिश सीखी, ठीक है, एक स्कूल में एक बार इंग्लिश सीखी, फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ यू स्पीक इंग्लिश। दैट्स द पावर ऑफ स्किल बिल्डिंग। तो आपने एक बार फाइनेंशियल एजुकेशन ली, फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ यू नो एवरीथिंग अबाउट फाइनेंसेस। सो सेकेंड स्टेप है कि अपने अंदर इन्वेस्टमेंट करो सबसे पहले, खुद को अपना फाइनेंशियल एसेट बिल्ड करो, ताकि देन फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ यू कैन डू इट। थर्ड स्टेप है कि ना अपना इन्वेस्टर एटीट्यूड बिल्ड करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि ऐसा नहीं है जो डेट आपने इतने सालों में इकट्ठा किया वो एक ही बार में खत्म हो जाएगा, वो नहीं होने वाला। या एक ही
Mm-hmm.
बार में मैं ऐसी इन्वेस्टमेंट्स कर लूंगी, सारा मेरा रिटायरमेंट फंड बिल्ड हो जाएगा, मेरा किड्स हायर एजुकेशन फंड बिल्ड हो जाएगा, ऐसा नहीं होने वाला। सो दिस इज अ लॉन्ग जर्नी दैट यू विल बिगिन विद द फर्स्ट स्टेप।
I may cut you short over here.
श्योर
When you
श्योर।
say it's a long journey and you have to take a build up, then a person like me, already in their mid 40s, I would think, ki, okay, a long journey, now what to do? Chalo. If I try to come out of that with all the courage I have, then I would ask you, what is the, when you say I have to build up a corpus, that corpus is something that is what I get in return from my investments, correct? I'm right? So
हाँ, तो
again,
आप जो
I'm
इन्वेस्ट कर रहे
repeating
हो
the same
दैट्स रिटर्न।
question. हाँ, yeah, I'm repeating the same question कि मैं शुरू कितने से करूंगी सर, how much I'm going to start with? That would be the very first concern for me.
500 रुपए से। ऐसा तो नहीं है ना
500
कि
रुपए
अभी,
से.
हाँ, ऐसा थोड़ी है कि अभी एजुकेशन लोगे और इतने सारे पैसे लगा दोगे, ऐसा तो नहीं होगा ना। आप स्टार्ट करोगे,
Okay.
थोड़ा सा यू विल काइंड ऑफ जंप इनटू इन्वेस्टिंग, देन
Mm-hmm.
थोड़ा सा और करेज आएगा, दिखेगा कि यार ओके दिस इज हाउ इट वर्क्स, सो आई एम गेटिंग इट। जब अपने अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस दिखेगा कि हाँ नाउ आई एम अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट कंप्लीटली, प्रैक्टिकली आ रहा है मेरे को, देन यू विल पुट 1,000 रुपीज, देन यू विल पुट 1,500। तो ऐसे ऐसे बढ़ोगे ना, ऐसा तो नहीं है
And
कि
for
अभी
this whole process, sorry,
हाँ,
this
जस्ट
whole
बिकॉज यू
process, you are
आर।
hand holding everybody, right? You're
So
hand holding
we,
individuals on this.
the course will handhold people. There is a
Mm-hmm.
built course that people will buy into. द कोर्स विल गाइड देम कि फाइनेंस एज अ सिस्टम है क्या. आप सारा सिस्टम कोर्स में सीखोगे. उसके बाद
Okay.
आप इनर सर्कल ज्वाइन करोगे, विच इज अ,
अच्छा.
मतलब इट्स अ क्लोज्ड कम्युनिटी जो आप ज्वाइन करोगे,
हम्म.
जिसमें मंथली मीटअप्स होती हैं, विच वी डू लाइव. ओके.
Okay.
एंड उसमें
Okay.
आके आप कंटिन्यूअसली ग्रो करते रहोगे फाइनेंशियली. तो आपका एजुकेशन कभी खत्म नहीं हो रहा है. एंड वी बीन रनिंग these monthly meetups for 6 years now. And that's
Okay.
how I'm saying people have generated a 40%, a 100% return. Because
Okay.
your journey just continues and you build wealth friends around you. We're all
Yeah.
equal to 5 people around us. हम कह रहे थे ना कैसे करें शुरू. We're all equal to 5 people around us. अगर वो 5 people are financially successful people, then we'll be financially successful too. And that's the key. Right? और
Okay.
यही करना है हमें अपने आसपास. लाइक हमें पेरेंटिंग पे चाहिए होता है, तो हम पेरेंट्स के साथ रहते हैं ना, कि हम अच्छी पेरेंटिंग दे पाए अपने किड्स को. वी
Mm-hmm.
एसोसिएट विद पेरेंट्स हु डूइंग अ ग्रेट जॉब. The same
Mm-hmm.
way we need to do with finances, and that's what we offer. We offer a course, we offer a community, we offer mentors, so that you're taken care of. That's how.
So I can
So I
basically
can
rely
basically rely.
upon whatever the suggestions are coming on and whatever the discussions are happening. But on a personal level, how am I supposed to track my investments? Because you told me that not necessarily you need half a day for this, 15 minutes will do. So there are some personal platforms of Women on Wealth where the community member can just log in and check out. What's it all about? How
No,
do
so
we
we
do
are
that?
not financial advisors. Let me correct it. Okay. If anybody got
Uh-huh.
it like that, we are not financial advisors. We are like a money school for women. जैसे आप स्कूल में जाते हो सीखते हो ना, तो ऐसे
Mm-hmm.
treat us like a school, and then you have friends in the school,
Okay.
okay, who are
Okay.
learning with you. And there are the senior kids who have already learned what you are learning, and then there are junior kids. So it's like that how we function. So we have
You provide
classes.
the fundamental. You provide the fundamentals, you provide the grounding, and then it's
Yes.
an individual effort on how it grows.
And we actually, ऐसा नहीं है कि courses are basic. Courses are even high level. Okay, because you will begin investing by doing the
Mm-hmm.
courses. You would have learned so much कि आप अपनी investments identify करोगे और कहोगे
Mm-hmm.
कि यार ये कर रही हूँ मैं, सही है ना, and we'll say हाँ great है या नहीं great है, ये मिस कर दिया.
Okay.
ठीक है. एंड वी प्रोवाइड यू द एजुकेशन. हम एक स्कूल है, मनी स्कूल फॉर वुमेन. आप स्कूल में आओगे, सीखोगे, और फिर फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ यू नो इट. क्योंकि ऐसा नहीं होता है कि हर बार आपको किसी से पूछना है. मतलब इंडिपेंडेंट होने का क्या मतलब है? इंडिपेंडेंट होने का ये मतलब है कि मैं खुद स्किल बिल्ड करके अपने ऊपर निर्भर हो पाऊं. एंड दैट्स द की.
Okay. So, not taking any negative from my sentence, but the way you start cooking and then you keep on experimenting and get better. Investment is going to be the same way for anybody. It's just that you need to get a foundation laid and then you can build it up the way, whichever way you want to, and get the results. Right?
यस यस यस. पर एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग इतनी नहीं होती है, क्योंकि आपके पास लाइक 2+2 करोगे तो 4 ही निकलेगा ना. मतलब मैथ्स में तो ऐसे
Mm-hmm.
होता है ना, 2+2 करो 4 निकलेगा. तो
Right.
कुकिंग में तो गड़बड़ जा सकता है डिश, पर इन्वेस्टिंग में तो ये करोगे तो ये आएगा. तो ऐसे होता है वो. इतना
Yeah.
मतलब ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट है ये वाला स्पेस ना. इट्स लाइक दैट.
Brilliantly explained, Priyanka. Very brilliantly put. Actually,
हाँ
cooking my experiment can go wrong and still, but finance
हाँ
obviously it's going to hurt real bad because
हाँ
even if you lose 5 rupees, जो आपके हिसाब में नहीं दिखता, you start thinking about it. So investing is a responsibility and one has to be very accountable for it and
हाँ.
conscious.
Absolutely.
Okay.
And you will make money, guys, if you're willing to learn. If you learn और knowledgeable investor बन के, intelligent investor बन के फिर invest करते हो, और फिर you stay invested, persist करते हो, patient रहते हो, पैसे बनेंगे ही बनेंगे. बस foundation सही ले कर दो education की. It's no way women
Hmm.
will not be wealth creators. It's like that.
I will just request that the people whosoever are watching us, please fill up the forms with Women on Wealth. and try to get into their free community so that you get the taste of what they are providing. And then obviously we are going to grow together and be more empowered in ourselves. Then definitely it's going to be a growth for our generation also. So to have a summarization of whatever you've put in front of us, Priyanka. Thank you so much, first of all, for giving us your time and the knowledge and the confidence in every woman that yes, it is possible and it is very much approachably acceptable to us. I would just like to sum it up that first and foremost, the person or whosoever is trying to invest should have a very specific and crisp list of what their financial goals are. They have to be having an attitude of an investor where they need to be mentally prepared that yes, it is a foundation to be given and then a lot of time. It would grow like a seed germinating into a tree, I hope, and that would bear you fruits. And final, that the financial freedom is something that would make you confident, that would transform your world and give a very great start to your generations to come. Am I right?
Absolutely bang on. Bang
Please,
on.
please
Go for
provide
it.
us some. Please provide us some guidelines, just a crisp guideline for all the viewers, so that they can come to the platform, have the courage, and get independence as soon as possible.
Sure. So these are my parting thoughts.
Yeah.
Okay. A lot of times I'm asked, how do I do this? So step one is resolve to start. How many of you women who are watching us today are resolving? Can you type in resolved? If you're resolving to start today, like you're saying, enough. I'm waking up. I'm choosing to be an intelligent investor. I no more want to be financially ignorant. Enough. Can you type in resolved, guys, for all of you who are watching?
I am one. I would be the part to this. Yes.
Yes, yes, absolutely. So the first
Our
step is,
viewers, yeah, our
yes,
viewers
go
are
ahead,
very
Neetu.
motivated and they want more sessions on this. So we'll be getting back to you on this.
So, absolutely, I'm happy. I'm happy to come back. Yes, resolve. That's the first step. That's what each woman needs to be saying today. Resolve. Bingo, guys. Now, once you resolve, the second step is learn to research. It's to learn, how do I build this system called finance in my life? What is this system? What is this methodology? So that's second step that you all need to learn from today onwards. You owe it to yourself and nobody else. Third
Right.
step is to build that attitude of an investor, somebody who's patient, somebody who's persistent, somebody who's disciplined, willing to learn and go beyond. You got to find your mentors. Mentor is a key. Like, I am clear, had my mentors not been there, I would have not been where I am today. I would have not impacted so many women with our team. So, mentor is a key, and community is the secret sauce. We're all equal to the five people around us. So, guys, these are the steps to wealth creation. Anybody can do it. It's simple. I must say, it's simple. It's not easy. And that's why Women on Wealth exists, and that's why these lives exist, so that you all jump into it, because I really think it's time. Over
Yeah,
to
the
you, Meet.
first step forward. First step forward is all that makes the difference. And when you say
Yes.
mentor is the key, so women today watching us, Women on Wealth is open arms. They're most welcoming. They've shared their forms with you. They've shared their Facebook with you. Go, get enrolled if interested, and then take up your future to be more bright, more confirmed, and more reliable, I would say. Thank you so much for your time, Priyanka. A real nice
Thank
session.
you.
And as per the request, we might get back to you and we would be having more picking on your thoughts then. Thank you so much.
Sure. Thank you for having me. An absolute privilege contributing to each one of you who is listening. Thanks to Vicky and Neetu for having me here. Loads of love, everyone,
Thanks.
and take charge. That's the only way forward.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Thank you.